Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be setting up my Erin Condren on the go folio from April through June. So volume 1 of the daily planner only runs from January through March, so we do need to set this up from April to June. But we can't technically get rid of this completely, and I'll go ahead and show you why. But I do want to take out this one and this monthly planner because I do want to go ahead and insert this sleeve in here. And let's see, I think it should just go in right under all of these strings. So just like that. And then let's see, I did want to go ahead and decorate these pockets, and I was thinking of adding just a few pictures that I had laying around and put them in here just for motivation and some cute little quotes. So I think I may want to put this one, and this one is starting to bend just a little bit because the little one likes looking at pictures, so he constantly has this one. And all I did was add the picture on some decorative paper that I actually got from Hobby Lobby a while back. So it's this paper pad right here from the Paper Studio, and I was able to pick it up for $3.75 because they were clearing out some items. And this is just so pretty, has pinks and blacks incorporated on here. So I thought this was so pretty. And when I knew that I wanted to add some sort of cardstock in the back of the pictures, just because the pictures are way smaller than the sleeve is, and I didn't want it just kind of sliding all over the place. So this one is just of my husband and our oldest. And then I did want to go ahead and put this quote that actually came in one of my Erin Condren hauls in this little packet right here. So this is how it looks, and it's blank in the back to just write a nice little card. But I love that these had quotes on them, so I went ahead and got these. This one had to be trimmed down just a little bit. It had round corners, but since these pockets are smaller, I did have to trim it down so it wasn't too tall. So I think that's good. I really like that. That way this is the first thing that I look once I look in my folio. And then as far as the back over here, I got this card from a friend, and this is actually the perfect size to fit right in here because these pockets are much bigger. So I thought that I would just slide this one, and this one is the perfect size, so I know that it's not going to be sliding. And then I didn't want to use another one of the quotes, so I did just put it in the back of some cardstock. And then I'll go ahead and slide this one too, just so I can see some motivational quotes every time I open up my daily planner. I just feel like I need some sort of motivation to get us all through what is going on right now. So I think that these are actually perfect, and that way they're not just sitting on my shelf in the package. So there we go. Perfect. Oh, I love this. And then as far as this one, there is a flap right here. I did see that I had these sticker sheets, so I do want to add these in there. You just can never have too many stickers. You never know when you're going to need them. So the more, the better. So I thought that these ones could just slide right in here. Perfect. So there we go. And then I'll leave my sticky notes back here in this pocket. Okay. So perfect. I am loving this, and I do have some sticker sheets right up here as well. And then the reason why I cannot not add this along with this one is because this is for the current week that we're on, and then we start the week off again. So we have Monday, Tuesday. And then we have some note pages. And that is it for this one. So then we need this one to continue on the week for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if I thought that having the monthly view in the middle of the week was extremely weird, I am now even more confused as to why they add the monthly view right in the middle of the week. That just does not make sense to me. So we go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, monthly view, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I still don't get why they do it in the middle of the week, and now I don't get why they would just add Monday and Tuesday on the first volume and continue the rest of the week in the second volume. Like, why couldn't they just have left it at the end of this last full week and then just have added these note pages? So this would have been the last full week and then just note pages. And then we would have started a fresh new week over here from Monday through Sunday instead of Wednesday through Sunday. So I don't think I'll ever get the thought process behind all of this. If anyone knows and can explain it to me, please do let me know. I am curious as to why they decide to do the monthly and the separating of the week like this. I just don't understand it. So I can't technically get rid of this for another week. So I still need to add this one, and this one is going to go in first. So we'll go ahead and grab a string and string this in here, and then this one would go next. So let's grab another string. So right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this monthly view. This one is strictly functional. This is kind of like my rough draft. Everything will get dumped in here and then transferred over to this one. So this is kind of how I've been using this one, just like a rough draft before I make it final and add it on here. So I do want to go ahead and add this one as well. So I basically just had the first volume and then this one, but for now I'm gonna need all three of these in here, and then I'll eventually get rid of that first volume and then just have the second volume and the monthly view in here with the new sleeve that I have put in here. So I think that's how I want it set up. And actually I think I'm gonna go ahead and add my dot grid Petite right in this last one. So let me go ahead and go grab that. Okay, so here it is, and I have yet to use it. It is still blank, but I just love the idea of having this in here just in case I ever need to jot down anything. I'll have somewhere to do so. So let's go ahead and add this last one, and I think we're gonna be all done. Okay, so here she is. She is a bit chunky just because we have all four of the daily planners in here. But like I said, once I am done with that first volume completely, I'll go ahead and take that one out, and then we're left with three, which is what I prefer. So let's go ahead and open her up. And here we go. I am just loving the idea of the sleeve. It added some personal touches, some pictures, some motivational quotes. I am loving that. I love that that's the first thing I see when I open it. And right over here, we do have a few extra sticker sheets along with an extra magnetic bookmark just in case we need it. And so we have volume 1 here plus volume 2. While we get over that little transition from one to the other. And then we'll have the monthly view, which is the next one. And then last we have some dot grid just for some note taking. You never know when you're going to need one, so I do love the idea of having one here. And then the back of the sleeve just has this little flap, and I went ahead and put some sticker sheets in here. I love that. And then the back pocket back here has these sticky notes. So I am loving these pockets. I am loving the sleeve, and I am loving all these Petite planners, and I just love this setup. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.